This is the wind energy presentation by Zach King. So just to start out a little bit about wind energy. So wind energy is a form of solar energy. We get the heat from the sun, and it's going to move air on the planet here. Yep. It's similar to hydropower. Wind energy, it's created by using wind to rotate fans, which then rotate a generator, which is going to generate power. Very similar to hydropower, how it's just turning a generator. So some examples of wind energy, you can see there the little wind turbines. They rotate the blades, which turn a turbine, sent to power lines, and then sent to your home. Alright, so an anemometer is what we are going to be making today. The anemometer, it's a meteorological instrument, can't even say that word, and it just basically measures wind speed. That's the basics of a wind turbine, just that stuff rotating that can generate, turn a motor. That's what one of the very first ones looked like down there. And this is what mine looked like. So obviously a lot less advanced, but still does the job. And here we go. We're going to watch this video of mine working. So yeah, you can see there the fan's going to be blowing into the cups to capture the air, and it's just going to turn around the axle there. Oh. Alright, so the anemometer, the radius of the wheel was measured to be 0.2 meters. Circumference, which is 2 pi r, so 2 pi times 0.2 meters is going to be 1.26 meters of a circumference. We measured the time it took for 10 revolutions was 7.3 seconds, so that's 0.73 seconds per revolution. And then the speed is just the circumference divided by the time per revolution. So 1.26 divided by 0.73. 1.73 meters per second is the speed of the wind, or fan wind, whatever. Alright, and now into wind projects. So the two countries I chose for the wind projects were Thailand and Germany. I kind of did this for a couple reasons. One, because Thailand's really close to the equator and Germany's a much higher altitude, and you're going to see differences in wind in those two countries there. And then also Germany is a more developed nation, and Thailand is very recently developed. So start out Thailand. Like I said, it's a recently developed country. They just started their pursuit of wind energy through the Thai Wind Energy Association. It's really near the equator, like I said, so there's not a lot of wind down there. They do have the capability of offshore wind, but they have not implemented that yet. In total, by 2014, Thailand could generate 224 megawatts of power, but it is growing rapidly because it is newly developed and they're developing very quickly in Thailand. And then for wind energy in Germany, it's also growing energy, and it has a capability of 55.6 gigawatts as of 2017, which, if you remember the 200 megawatts from Thailand, 55 gigawatts is a whole lot more. Just offshore, they have 5.2 gigawatts, and like I said, Germany is at a much higher latitude. It's much further from the equator, so they have a lot more wind. They also are using their offshore capabilities to generate their wind energy. Alright, and then this is my reference page. And thank you for your time.